This is the third presentation in a sequence looking at the animation effects within PowerPoint. Now in this screencast we're going to look at the effect created where we're going to bring the text in one at a time by clicking the mouse. So just making the text appear but in the pre-prepared structure. This is actually very simple. So I'm just going to come out of the presentation mode and into the editing mode, and here's my starting diagram with the results in. So what we're going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is select each of my boxes, and then I'm going to go to the home page and I need to hide the text. Now I'm not going to delete it. What I need to do is I need to change the font color so that it's the same as the background color. So I need to apply the same light yellow that I've used for my background. So the text is still there, but you can't see it. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my add effect option, and we're going to use the emphasis. Now with emphasis, if I go to more effects, you'll see that there's all sorts of things that you can do. Some of them are just naff and a waste of time. But one of them says we can change the font color. So I'm going to choose that. Click on OK. And by default, it's gone to a kind of a browny red color. I'm going to change that to black. And at the moment, because I've selected all of the items, it's added it so that they'll all appear under a single mouse click. What I'm going to do is, while they're all selected and they've got that box around them, if I click on that little down arrow and change that to start a mouse click, I've got 6 independent mouse clicks, 1 for each box. So if we look at the effect, we might have to come back and change the timing in a second, but if we go to the slideshow and we'll run the effect here, we can bring the text in each time I click the mouse or press the right cursor key. If I wanted to change the timing, again, whilst they're all selected, at the moment it's set to medium, I can make it fast or very fast. I'm going to make it fast. And again, just check it. Okay, that's a little bit better, like that. So that's a very simple way of using the emphasis tool. Okay, and I'm just using the font color, which is that one there, and you'll notice there's all sorts of other options to create an effect.